Okay, so me and Zach just switched spots. 2 eyes is better than one, you know? He says that he thinks the whole center is flexing. Oh, it sure is. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. I can see the whole center of the bed picking up, like flexing in the very center of the pin box. She's got like a trampoline, like a pet bed on her bed, and you can see it move and rise. Go ahead and do that again. Yeah, you can see all that stuff flex inside her too. Yep. Okay, that's cool. That's good enough. Hi.